Founded in 2013, Vizex was the first Russian company that started developing new software for big data, visualization and 3D graphics. In 2021, Vizex holds a leading position in Russia's data visualization market. Our partners are the top IT companies as well as business from financial, manufacturing, fuel and energy sectors, and also government and regional authorities. Together we do projects that are making a difference in the quality of people's work and life. The key activities of the company include EdTech, development and support of info visualization system and software development in general. Vizex is looking towards making an impact in EdTech. Our remote learning project Virtual Laboratories provides interactive cloud environment for conducting experiments inside physics simulations. We make extensive use of Unity features in these challenging projects. Vizex has 4 valid patents used in development, 6 more submitted for review. Our main development tools are Unity and WebGL.